Want to add multiple images to your Instagram story, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add multiple photos in one Instagram story post. Now let's get started. To add multiple photos in one Instagram story post, open the Instagram app and tap the plus sign in the top left corner. Then select Story at the bottom. Tap the Layout option in the menu on the right. This will allow you to add multiple photos to your story. You can select one of the grid options based on how many photos you want to add to your post. You can add 2, 3, 4, or 6 images based on which grid option you choose. You can then snap a new photo to fill each frame, or upload images from your camera roll by tapping the photo icon in the bottom left corner. Select the photos in the order you want them to appear, from top to bottom and left to right. You can use 2 fingers to zoom in or out on each image to adjust how they're cropped within your grid. Once you've added and adjusted all your photos, tap the check mark to proceed with editing your story and adding any music, text, and other elements you like. When you're done editing, tap Your Story at the bottom to post it. That's all it takes to add multiple photos to one Instagram story. Want to try out a new Instagram feature? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.